Ever wonder how your family's blueprint, made you? Well, let's get into it. Like, why do you have your mom's eyes? The answer is actually hidden right in your genes. And a super simple example of this is right there on your head. Yep, your earlobes. See, some are free or hanging, and others are attached. It's a classic inherited trait. So how does this even work? Well, to figure that out, we gotta go way back. And meet the guy who cracked the code, Gregor Mendel. He used, of all things, pea plants. So here's what he did. He started by crossing pure tall plants with pure short ones. And the result was kind of wild. All of the new plants were tall. Which, makes you ask, what happened to the short trait? Did it just vanish? But then he crossed those tall plants, and bam, the short trait popped right back up. And what's crazy is he kept getting this same result, a 3-to-1 ratio, tall to short. This revealed what we call dominant traits. They show up because they're making a working protein. And then you have recessive traits. They're often hidden because their protein is missing or broken. And this whole shebang is controlled by the genetic code tucked away inside every single cell. So that genetic recipe, we call it the genotype. It's the blueprint for making those proteins. And what you actually see, the tall plant, the attached earlobe, that's the phenotype. So how do we predict this stuff? We use a neat little tool called a Punnett square. So you can see the genetic ratio is 1-to-1, but what you see is that 3-to-1 ratio. And hey, this isn't just about plants. It's how human sex gets determined with X and Y chromosomes. Okay, but what's the big deal with all this mixing? Simple. It creates variation. With sexual reproduction, you get tons of genetic diversity. Asexual is, well, just clones. And that variation, it's literally the key to survival when the world around you changes. Right. Think about a heat wave. Only the bacteria with that rare heat-resistant gene will make it. So you see, inheritance isn't just about looking like your parents. It's the very engine of evolution. Which leaves us with a pretty big question. What traits are going to matter most for our future?